ball. So guys, something I want to talk to you about. So a few years back, I sold one of my favorite toys. And that was a stand-up jet ski. Come here. And I've been wanting to get one ever since, for a few months now. But summer's coming up and it's getting hot, and I really had to do what I had to do. So check this out. I went and I picked up a new stand-up. It's not new, but it's a fixer-upper, so needs a little love. But that's what I'm gonna show you guys today, is this 650 rebuild. So stay tuned, and I hope you like it. Thanks. She's rough right now, but she's gonna get together. Replaced this yesterday. Wasn't easy, the screws didn't fit, so I had to tap out the threads, put that in, but that's all good. Okay, so I always do this. I get going on projects and forget to start recording. So I did a little bit of work off camera. Let me catch you guys up on what we're doing. So I didn't like what they were doing here with the gas tank before, so the hose was extended out and the gas cap was way out here, so I removed that, cut that down. I got a new one right here, the whole shindig. Sink that in there, bam bam. Get a new little nose cone there. And then on the fuel tank, I've got a filter going in here. I'm gonna hook up this water collector. And the fun part is the exhaust down here. Now they had, where's the old part? This going on down there. Look at that. Woo! Every kind of freaking gasket maker silicone stuff you can get. So they had that ghettoed up in there. Coming out right here. I cleaned the silicone off for the gasket maker already, but it was just gunked on here. So we're gonna sand this down, smooth it out, drill these holes out, because this one's like, I don't know what they did. They put something in it. Put the new one in I ordered. Bam. I got the other part in here somewhere. Bam. So, you know, slot bang, da dang, bada bang. Pick up some screws. Okay, we get that all together. Put the exhaust back in. Put the fuel lines together. Get the hose, the fuel hose all dialed in. I got to pick up some new plugs at the store real quick. The battery mount. So this was another thing. They only have one bolt out of 4 holding the battery in there. Look at that, it bounces around like that. No bueno. So I got it. The holes are all stripped out. And that one's got a screw broken off in it. So I got to drill that out. Find some bigger screws to fit in the mounts down there and get that tacked down nice. And then we could finish the paint job, or we could just, you know, slap it back together and take it out. I think we should take it out and test it before we finish the paint. I know, right? Let's go already, right? All right.